guys, in this video I am going to be putting soap in the microwave because I heard that it it grows, and I'm pretty sure it might work with this. Look, so let's test it.
Put it on a plate.
On a plate. So hopefully it works. How long should I put it on for?
20 seconds to start with.
Yeah, I'm going to put it on for 20 seconds. I don't think you can see it very well because there's this glassy stuff. I'm not sure I put it. I didn't think it worked that time. I'm gonna try it again. Guys, just saying it might not work. It might be a lie. Because I did see this on somebody else's video. Or it just might not work with this piece of soap. Whoa! Guys, if you saw that, it worked. It grew a little. Yeah, but you might want to leave it a while before you use it, so it can just dry. That's so cool. Let's put it. Okay, so we're gonna put it there in for another 30 seconds. Guys, this is so cool. Okay, let's see if it can grow anymore. Whoa, it's growing. It's growing, guys. That's so cool. We only have 10 seconds left, I'm pretty sure. What? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That grew so much. So yeah, if you're gonna try this, it works. Might be a bit hot after. Yeah, it's a bit hot, but before you use it again, probably wait. But yeah, so soap does grow in the microwave. So that's the end of this video. So yeah, so soap does grow. And this is the end of this video. Hope you like it. Please give me a big fat thumbs up. And subscribe and do all that sort of stuff. So bye.